Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with another box opening. Today's box opening is going to be the Nostalgix CCG Interdimensional Custom Card Game. The base set, here's the box for you, first edition. And calling all heroes, Nostalgix is a culmination of decades of trading card game experience from industry veterans. By blending our favorite mechanics from the long history of classic card games and introducing several more unique to Nostalgix, we have created a game that feels familiar yet fresh. In our debut base set, a worldwide event has trapped anyone who falls asleep in a shared lucid world populated by characters from fictional universes humans have invented over the years. Join heroes like Vixa the Six and Nekira and Clash fighters like the powerful Booster Box Dragon, Evangeline, and Gamatron against each other to reclaim portal counters, return these characters to their rightful homes, and restore the multiverse. We hope you enjoy this labor of love created by players just like you. So let's get down to the business here. All right. Everything I looked up online said that this is a lot of fun to play, and it's very easy to play if you are familiar with other CCGs. So, a couple different artwork options on the packs. Let's just take a look. Looks a little Kung Fu Panda-esque. Here we go. Nostalgix.tcg.com. So it's a TCG and a CCG. Printed in China. 2021. Well, let's take a look. There's the back of the Interdimensional Custom Card Game. And alright, definitely 2021 has a same smell as the other ones. Malfunctioning drone. I don't know what's rare and what's not. I was hoping it would tell me on the cards. I'm gonna guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. So this must be the common up top, maybe? Uncommon and my rare? Not sure, but that's part of the fun. Only 10 cards per pack. Panbu. Pelago, yeah. A lot of very Pokemon-esque. Lunch break. So I'm guessing... Oh, look at that. Cocoon. That's a pretty cool foil. Like a chibi Pokemon kind of thing going on there. Maximum armor. Massive effect. Moriga. Evolves from Succubi. So they evolve, so yeah, that's Pokemon. So it's payoff, level playing field, Verox, just spookula. Yeah, it's so Merseraph, that's cool. That's got to be the rare, the gold ones, I'm guessing. Team uniform. Livewire evolves from Kai. Yeah, it's Pokemon, but with some other mechanics put into it. Spark Bolt, Lava Bite. I mean, the artwork seemed Magician's Bag. Oh, like a bag of holding. Oh, that must be something important. Evolves from Moriga. Well, I have that one. Reload. Very kid-friendly artwork, which is cool. My boys would probably love collecting these, if not actually playing the game. Shield of Allure and Mockery. Okay, that is pretty clever, I have to admit. Oh, Divine Blessing. I like how it's coming out of the card there. Ooh, Xenobot. It evolves from Phagebot. And it's got the little shiny gem up there. Turn 1P, Turnip. Haha. Alright. But definitely good quality. cards. They do the bend. Yeah, they do the bend test. Slug Slash, Springboard, Mirage, Friend, Zabacola, Metamix, yellow card, Engineer 1P, Spook Raider, evolves from Spookula, Metal Card Flick. I was hoping to see some, I don't know, spoofs or play off of some well-known characters, and they probably are. Oh, hey, look at that. Minecraft mixed Super Mario Brothers. Scrap Metal. 2 and up. Oh, evolves from Turn 1P. Oh, Phagebot. Lucky Frog and Keepers of the Peace. Well, that's interesting. Like Stormtroopers, but all women. Chains of the Deep, Medusette, Stumpkin, huh? Drask, Game Show, Complete Yeet. Oh, there's some, oh, Dr. Corvus. That's cool with the Plague Doctor mask, which hipsters popularized during COVID, which made sure that I would never pull out my Plague Doctor costume ever again. Regeneration, nice. Alternate timeline. Oh, Exeliger. Oh, sweet. It's awesome. It's incredible. Little Voltronic action Voodoo by Septus. Ooh. Seal Costa evolves from Scaffa. That's pretty cool. I definitely like the foiling on these cards. It's different from the other games with the little Stardust in the background. But again, the cards don't feel thicker than a standard card. Nope. There you go. Counter it. That's a great name for a counter spell. Magnastorm, Treadin, Fairn, One Trick Pony, Sever Cat, Lumith, Severe Weather, Souljar. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, definitely a cool Pokemon anime style, like American anime. Squirrel of Distraction, Souljar Dice, Baby Card Dragon, Nikita, Herald of the Kraken. Nice. So you have Athena, Nullifying Void. I mean, it's obviously they're breaking the fourth wall here with some of these cards referencing the game itself, which is cool. That sounds like it'd make it a lot of fun. That's not taking itself too seriously, unlike Sarah. Like the Sarah Angel. She's an angel, Sarah. I get it. Okay. Yep, there's Kai. Laser Pointer. Probably defeats all cats. I don't know. Oh, Rosarine. Nice. Night Owl. Sinking Feeling. Okay. Another Verox. Spookula. Wooden Boomerang. Reverse. Spark Bolt. Lava Bite. Oh, that's kind of cool. Very Mesoamerican or even Inuit. I'll put that over here because that's cool looking. I'll go back through these later. I'm sure I may have missed one or two with that red jewel in the top, but that tells me that those are rares. I like the Panguard. Oh, is his name Poe? Yeah, okay. That's what I was led to believe that it would be like spoofing Kung Fu Panda and just different IPs out there. Ooh, Jellyphant, nice. And things like that you would see creatures and you would think, hey, wait a minute. Like the Sarah Angel, for example. There'd be a lot of that in this game. Kokoku, Evelyn. Okay. Almost halfway done here. Just that. Oh, Griff. Take a bite out of crime. Revengerator. Interesting. I like that I've gotten 5 foils so far. I don't know if there's any value to these cards. 6 foils, Semperkin. If there's any value besides playability, and that's okay. Because, again, something to play with the boys just for fun, or even have them just go through the pictures and say, oh, this guy's cool, I like this guy. Or like we've done with Pokemon, because the youngest one is still too young to be able to play it yet, we make up our own game using those cards, because he does know his numbers, so we can use the numbers in the corner and invent our own game. Ooh, Venomusa. Another foil. Alright. And I found a couple of Peringi, a couple of videos on YouTube that explained how to play, and very easy to follow along with, especially for an experienced CCG player. I mean, if you could play Decipher Star Wars back in the day, you can pretty much play anything. What am I doing? I'm getting them all confused here. You're not foil. Okay. Make sure I didn't mix the foils. Okay, nope. I don't know if that diamond is just a rare, and the ones without a symbol are your characters. A lot of TCGs seem to be, yeah, okay, that's definitely like a character. Yeah, exactly like Shadow Era, okay. The hero battling seems to be the thing. Like, you're not trying to defeat the other player just like by bringing their life points down. You start with the hero, and you're just trying to defeat that hero. You know, I believe the World of Warcraft game, if I'm not mistaken, or Warhammer, excuse me, is the same way. Shimmer Seraph, make an angel deck. But that just seems to be the way CCGs are now. At least these ones. We'll see how a couple of the other ones coming out later this year, early next year look. Ooh, now that is a different kind of foil. Lucky Frog Merchant. It's a character card foil. That is pretty cool. I actually really like that one. A foil that's different from the other foils. I'm guessing that's a 1 per box there. It's better than the 0 per box. Engineer 1P again. Morga, Lavamander, Team Uniform. Getting down to the last few packs here. Alright. Another him. Livewire. Maybe a G.I. Joe. Dr. Corvus again. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. Maybe every pack doesn't have a rare, or your character is rare. I'm not sure. I should have done the research, and I apologize for that. Booster Box Dragon, referenced on the booster box. Your opponent voids the top 6 cards of their deck. Nice. Alright, that one was pretty cool. He definitely, it just screams Pokemon. Except without the energy cards. We do something else too. Or discard. Or exile. Another one of this dude. And the last pack of Nostalgix base set. Let's try not to destroy this one. And it's not going to happen, so we're going to destroy it. Plaga. And, ooh, Gametron. Another one referenced, aka Voltron. See, that's what I mean. Like, that's kind of cool how it references something without over the top. So, yeah. So there we go. Nostalgix Interdimensional Custom Card Game. my full hollow foil there, and then other foils, Gametron, the sparkliness, the booster box dragon referenced on the box, so kind of cool. So there we have it, the Nostalgix game. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll be bringing you yet more box openings for CCGs real soon from Motor City Games. I say thank you so much, and you have a great day.